Hello, this is Larry Cook with Larry Cook Heating and Cooling, and today I wanted to talk about humidifiers because they're such an important asset to your home. And remember, without any moisture, you lose your heat in half of the time. Today what we're going to talk about is humidifier maintenance and things you do, because it's this time of the year where you're going to be wanting them. I'm going to show you a couple items here. This is a General Aire, one of the lines that we do sell. And for example, it has a damper in here and it's off right now with that little arrow, and you want to turn it on. The other thing too is on these humidifier pads on these Generals, and I'm just going to take it off and show you how this would work. We'll drop the drain line down and we'll pull the drain pan off, and then right below here in the center, humidifiers are very simple in their makeup. This here is a newer filter that was replaced, but what happens is it's got a line on top of here, but if you're on well water, you want to replace these once a year, and if you're on city water, once every 2 years. We go ahead and check them every year just to make sure that things are working. What happens is there's a water line that comes in that feeds water to the humidifier. There's an orifice on this humidifier, and you want to replace that every year. And it's a very economical item. It has a little pinhole in it, and it just regulates how much water actually comes to the humidifier, so you're just not wasting water. So the water comes in the top, it goes through this panel, and then what happens as the air pushes through the humidifier and it returns it back in, and that's what's conditioning that air, putting that moisture in it. So this is a critical component to your humidifier, making sure that these are clean. Very simple to do. The other thing too that you want to do is when you pull it apart, there's like residue that'll get in the bottom of here. We usually try to clean that out and get those all together. So from the orifice, just cleaning it out, opening the damper, very simple item, but you'll find that the humidifier is just a blessing for you at your house. So if you don't have one, let us give you a quote. We give free estimates, and we'd love to help you guys and serve you.